OSC Productions.
Alright, what up guys, your boy Fit. I'm back with another one. I'm saying this video right here is going to help you guys out building up your strength. If you can't do a push-up if you're a beginner, this right here is a good way to start off. If you want to learn how to do the clapping push-up, close grip push-ups, one-handed push-up, any type of push-up. So basically we're just going to be using the resistance bands to help you back up. Basically it's just going to help you go back up. So if you struggle with this or you're having a hard time doing push-ups or anything with your body weight, you could try this out. So basically right here I just hanged up a green band. Then you're gonna put it around your waist. You could do close grip push-ups, normal push-ups. You could try one-handed push-ups, whatever you're trying to work on and build up to. So as you can see, I switched it from the green to the blue. You could keep switching it to different levels. They have harder ones, the purple ones, the black ones. If you need more help, you could use those ones. If you don't need any help, you could not use it at all. But you could try it with the green one, then switch back to the blue one. Just keep moving on, so forth and so on. As it gets easier, you could loosen up the resistance on the band and just basically fuck it up, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, just go in the gym, try this shit out, bang it out. It's your boy Fit. Till the next video, you know what I'm saying? Like, comment, subscribe. You can follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, all of that. It should be on one of my other videos. Like I said, comment below. Let me know what you guys want me to cover. Any workouts or anything like that. I could go over different styles of working out, how to set up your workouts. We got horizontal training, vertical training, peripheral heart. There's a bunch of different ways you could go about it. Pyramid, superset, and anything like that. Just let me know, and then I'll jump in and try to bang it out and help you guys out. You know what I'm saying? Catch you later. Peace.